Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, on this channel we review the best products on Amazon so you don't have to waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Rosetta 3D Projector, 60 Themes HD 3D Galaxy Projector with Bluetooth speaker and remote, 1H/2H timer, night light for bedroom, home decor, party, birthday and Christmas gifts for adults, girls, boys, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. I've always been fascinated by products that can transport us to another world, literally. Can you imagine having a magical planetarium in the comfort of your own home? It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but I'm here to tell you that this Rosetta 3D projector is all too real. This product is perfect for anyone who loves entertainment or just wants to unwind with some mesmerizing visuals. Imagine having a custom-made 3D movie experience in your bedroom, living room, or even a party setting. It's the ultimate way to create an immersive atmosphere that'll leave everyone speechless. Let me tell you what really impressed me about this product: its seamless integration of visual and auditory experiences. The built-in Bluetooth speaker syncs perfectly with the 3D projections, creating a truly immersive experience that feels like being in a real-life movie theater. And with 60 different 3D scenes to choose from, there's something for everyone. One feature that really stood out to me is how customizable this projector is. The focus, brightness, and timer can all be adjusted to your liking, ensuring that every viewing experience is tailored to your preferences. It's like having a personal planetarium at your fingertips. The 1H/2H timer is also a brilliant touch, allowing you to switch between different scenes or modes without having to get up from the couch. In terms of performance, I've found that this projector delivers consistently stunning visuals, even in larger rooms. Customers rave about how smooth and seamless everything runs, whether they're watching 3D movies, playing games, or just browsing YouTube videos. It never feels sluggish. And with the built-in nightlight feature, you can relax in peace knowing your home is safe and cozy. Now, I know what you're thinking: is this projector really worth the investment? In my opinion, yes. While it may seem like a splurge at first glance, trust me when I say that this product is an experience unlike any other. It's perfect for birthday parties, holiday gatherings, or just creating a magical atmosphere in your home. If you found this review helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. We drop new videos every week covering the best products on Amazon. The link to grab the Rosetta 3D projector is right below in the description. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.